Keep teaching.
Don't kill me.
Be nice to the white belts.
For black belts? Yeah. Oh, that's not the question I expected. I guess just remind the white belts to like take it easy. It's not all about that one encounter. It's not all about that one moment. Defense matters more than trying to score the big showy moves. So it's better to lose often than to win the big one.
Don't stop, I guess. Keep going. Go easy on me. Don't me up. Don't mess with me.
A black belt. Oh man. Let's see. The only thing I know is to like tie your belt correctly. Make sure it doesn't come off during the spar, and yeah, you don't want your gi to get in the way of like a good fight.
Honestly, just watch out for us, because we just have some tricks up our sleeve that we can't really show.
Go easier on the white belts. We get hurt a lot.
Okay.